Hallo Jelle, ik wil Jelle game face called Blocks of Craft.
Yo,
That's
yo,
ready. It's a mobile device game for everyone to play on phone. You can see the way it goes in is smoothly. Everything runs smooth. You can then think maybe it's a false game. Yeah, it's a false game. But I just want to see how's it play. How does it play? Right now, we are waiting for the load. You can see this game shows apps. No, that wasn't meant to do. Don't want to see that. Press play. See it's already world. Create new world. Survivor. We're gonna put in a map in a box. And multiply. See, it's on. Great. Now we will wait and see. And if you think, guys, you can see if the game is good. It's not good. It's not very good. If you guys think it's good, no, it isn't. But still, press that subscribe button. Please, guys, press subscribe. Please subscribe to me. I need it, guys. Subscribe. Look that, guys. Look at that. I hate this game. This is the mobile Vice Minecraft, guys. Guys can see how it is. Very good terrain. Everything